In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate view in Fusion 360. Rotating the view is one of those essential navigation skills that makes modeling faster, more accurate, and much more enjoyable. When you can smoothly look around your design from any angle, it's easier to understand the geometry, spot problems early, and make confident edits. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360 so you can see it on the main canvas. You'll know you're ready to go when your design is visible and the interface shows the view controls in the top right corner. Think of the canvas as your workspace and the camera as your eyes. Everything we're about to do simply moves that camera around your model. The quickest way to rotate is with the middle mouse button, which is the scroll wheel on most mice. Press and hold the middle mouse button, then drag your mouse to rotate the view freely around your design. Move slowly at first and watch how the model responds as you drag in different directions. Small, smooth movements give you a lot of control, while larger drags whip the view around quickly. Keep your cursor near the area you want to orbit around so the rotation feels natural and focused on the part of the model you care about. If the rotation feels too fast, ease up on your mouse movement. If it feels too slow, make a slightly larger arc as you drag. With a bit of practice, this becomes second nature and lets you quickly explore complex shapes from all sides. For more precise control, use the ViewCube in the top right corner of the canvas. Clicking labeled faces like front, top, or right snaps the camera to exact orthographic views, which is perfect for aligning sketches or verifying dimensions. Clicking an edge between two faces gives you a clean 45-degree style angle, and clicking a corner sets you to a 3/4 isometric view. You can also click and drag directly on the ViewCube to spin the model to a custom angle while still keeping orientation cues in sight. If you ever drift away from where you want to be, click the home icon near the cube to jump back to the default view. The ViewCube is your map and compass, helping you stay oriented while you work. That's all there is to it. Open your model, rotate freely with the middle mouse button, and use the ViewCube for precise, repeatable angles. Practice switching between the two, and soon you'll navigate any design with ease.